So this is going to be an ordeal. I had taken Twinkie's toy off to clean it because he poops all over it. Trying to get it back on, it's going to be real fun. He's very cage aggressive, and he knows. Look, I have your toy. You need to put it on. Let me just put it up here, okay? What? Look, see, it's your toy. Oh, what? 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 Can I just put it on for you? Twinkie, let go. What? I just have to try to put it back on your cage for you. Your eyes are pinning like crazy. You're going to bite me. Be nice. No. He's mad that I have it. Ouch. And he's mad that I'm going to try to put it back on. Let go of it. Can I please put it back on? I'm trying to give you your toy back. Don't be upset. Let me just put it back on. Now, of course, I got to get it in there sideways, too, to hook it on. Come on. I'm trying to give you your toy. He's going to rip me to shreds. Okay. Okay. I got it. I love you, too. Now, come on. Can I just hook it? Can I just hook it on? Oh, boy. This is an ordeal. Can I just screw it on for you? Hi. I'm just trying to fix your toy. Nuh-uh. It's okay. I have to attach it. Okay. Twinkie. Get off that toy. Let me fix it. Okay, so I got the toy back on. Now it's nice and clean. Boy, he's a cranky little bird. He does not like you to fix the toys. He has not gotten off his cage yet. I did a whole cage cleaning. It looks beautiful for the most part, except for the grass that he just dropped on. But I can't get that stuff off, or the top where he poops on it, until he gets off the cage. If I try to clean this with him on the cage, I will not have a hand left. Look at him. He says, "You get away from my cage, Mommy. I love you, but I will rip you to shreds. This is my domain." Huh. Yeah? It is my domain. Don't you touch it. But I have to clean that. Yes. We already got the cage clean. Oh my God, he pooped in the back already. Oh, Lord. My work is never done. Now I got to clean it again.